In the realm of physics, where equations dance and particles play, there exists a fascinating connection between our dreams and the elusive quantum world. As we delve into the mysteries of the universe, we find a parallel to the ethereal nature of manifesting our aspirations. The concept of connecting with our future higher self stems from the idea that time is not a linear force in the quantum realm. Quantum physics challenges our conventional understanding of time, suggesting that past, present, and future may coexist simultaneously. This opens up a doorway to explore the potential of manifesting our dreams in the present moment. Imagine standing at the intersection of quantum possibilities, where the choices we make resonate across the fabric of reality. The physicist contemplates the intricate dance of particles, acknowledging the interconnectedness that binds the macroscopic and the microscopic. In the quantum realm, there is no fixed timeline restricting our dreams. Instead, there is a vast expanse of probabilities waiting to be explored. It is within this realm that the physicist seeks to bridge the gap between intention and manifestation. As we align our thoughts and desires with the frequencies of the quantum field, we may tap into a reservoir of potential outcomes. The physicist, much like an architect of reality, understands the power of observation and intention in shaping the quantum landscape. Manifestation, from a physicist's perspective, becomes a harmonious symphony of energy and consciousness. It is an acknowledgement that our dreams are not distant goals, but rather tangible threads woven into the fabric of the quantum tapestry. So, how does one connect with their future higher self in this quantum dance? The physicist would suggest cultivating mindfulness, honing the art of focused intention, and recognizing the interconnectedness of all things. It is a journey of self-discovery, where the observer becomes the co-creator of their reality. In conclusion, as we navigate the intricacies of quantum physics and the realms of our dreams, the physicist invites us to embrace the notion that time is not a barrier, but a fluid canvas waiting to be painted with the brushstrokes of our intentions. By connecting with our future higher self in the quantum realm, we embark on a journey of manifestation that transcends the limitations of linear time, allowing our dreams to unfold in the present moment.